this on YouTube. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. Alright, film this again if I can record it. Pizza and pizza. You can't cut in front of me. I have one. Boy, girl, yeah, Mustang.
That's
Here. Yeah. Boring.
Yes.
That was fun, but and neither. Is that? I don't want to be in a car race. I don't want to be in a car race. My Mustang. You want me to tape? I want to. Okay, there.
Yes, I did. I told you earlier. I don't want one. I do.
Oh God, my eyes. What you want?
Can I order it and do it?
Sure.
24/7. That's you want to do it? You know you can't sit by.
5th grade. Listen up. Let's talk to you.
Chess.
Hit that name.
So we love you. We hope you have a good time. And we will see you on the 30th of November. Thank you.
That's it? It's over?
No. That's it. What the heck?
I had fun at the car show.
Oh no, we get to try.
They tried, I think, already. I don't want to try.
I want to try. Huh? Can you hold it? Yeah, sure.
5th grade. Listen.
I'm doing it.
They have a question for you. You need to listen.
That was me.
We
That was
didn't hear
me.
it. We didn't hear that last part.
That was me.
Got it, Mr. Harold. Church. Mr. Harold owns the church.
Good church. I'm not church.
This is it. Oh, I'm pretty sure we never got our invitation, so we bogarted. We was like, we're not missing those matches.
Let's go. can't hear him.
All right. I want you guys to take one lap. Just walk, right? Around so you can see all of the parts. Now, it is important for you to know. Some of our parts are hydraulic. Right? So it's not here, it's mostly. We're showing off. Okay. So, while carefully, do not cut across.
I'm over.
Look at the cars. Look at the cars. Slow down.
T-Boy?
I know what's supposed to
What's your Natalie?
No. There you go.
On my nerves. SpongeBob SquarePants hut.
I am recording.
Big.
Hello. Bob. There's no more name.
Take a look at the cars. Once you're done, you may have a seat.
This is what happens if you try to turn.
The Lightning McQueen.
Damien, I'm talking to you, baby. Damien, I'm talking to you.
I'm putting this on YouTube.
Come on in.
Nope.
Take a look at the
Brayden, get a twerk.
Mr. Sports.
We're cruising.
This is Speedy Gonzalez. He won 6 times today in a row.
Good job.
Brian!
Good job. Hello. What?
Dorian, I used to wish I could dance. Now I wish you could.
Running way back.
All the names.
Yep.
What
What the heck? I'm putting this on YouTube. Let's go! Yes!
Molly, sit down. Jerry, you're not gonna do it. Nigel.
Oh, yeah! Can I record this?
No. Sit down. Turn it off. They had 3. You wouldn't go.
Yeah, retake. We need tape.
Run, hurry up. Sit down.
No, they need tape with it.
I am taping it.
They're gonna dance.